Right.
What are the most challenges what are that you have faced to get to reach at such a nice level?
See, there were huge challenges, Sagar. Like nothing comes very easily.
Yeah,
So after finishing engineering, I had a question that what I need to choose,
yeah,
and that was my first challenge. Second challenge was like we were attending huge interviews, like lot many interviews, and we were not cracking any interviews. Somewhere we used to go and like first round we used to get rejected. Somewhere it used to happen that we are rejected at the last round.
okay,
So that all those challenges were really very hard. But yeah, but I never lost a hope because we know that we had something in us which will help the organization.
yeah,
So that journey was like the period of 50 to 60 attending interviews was really tough because we used to travel from Mysore to Bangalore, which is like 3 hours journey. We used to get in Bangalore and we used to search the place and then we need to attend the interview and then we need to go back again to the Mysore because we need to next day we need to again go to our job. So that's how it was happening. So
okay,
like we used to not take any offs when we were in Amazon BPO where when I was in Mysore. Any day we were getting off, we used to go to Bangalore and we used to attend the interviews.
okay,
So that's how that's like it went in like that. And there were like huge challenges. Like we were, like it happens no, done the engineering. We have put 4 years and nothing is happening according to our mind. So we all have that question, why good is not happening to me? So even the same happened with us, but we never lost hope. As I told already, we kept on attending the interviews, and then things went good for us. Like after attending 50, 60 interviews, we got job in Flipkart. And after getting the job in Flipkart, also the process was new to us. There
yeah,
we faced challenges. But like whenever we get into any organization, we try to build network,
yeah,
making good friends. Just not making friends to get benefited from them. But yeah, if you're stuck in some process or if you're not getting something sorted in your job, then we can go to them and we can get things sorted. And
yeah,
vice versa. If they are stuck, we can also help.
yeah,
So that's how we were. Whenever some process was new, whenever something new was coming, we used to reach out to each and every person available in that floor on that floor.
okay,
So we used to reach out to them and we used to get things sorted. So like this, like we need to have this communication and we need to have our network at our job because if you're stuck, because you need to show the results in your job.
yeah,
And if you're stuck at some place, you need to reach out to your colleague, your friend, or someone who is there
yeah,
to get things sorted. So that's how it went for us. Like even the process was new, we used to reach out to the new friends, new colleagues, and used to get sorted. And that kept on going. And every job, like every new job we go, we make new network, new friends, which will help them and help us in that process. So yeah, that's how it's going. So challenges are like huge, but the thing is that how you are facing these challenges. We face like we are facing this challenge. Like if there's something new happening, new process, new job, we make friends. We also make friends. So that really helps us in the job.
yeah. So that's really a wonderful experience. How to reach out to the vendors, how you have started your career, how you have
Right.
got your first job.
Mm-hmm.
So people who all I all want to tell you is all you need to do is hard work, right? And
Exactly.
never be afraid about the results. See, results come.